Hello and welcome to the video blog in 60 seconds. Today's topic is cleaning Quaryl, our exclusive material for baths and shower trays. Quaryl products feature a non-porous surface which is remarkably easy to care for. All that is needed for regular cleaning is a damp cloth or sponge. Their smooth and continuous surfaces make it difficult for dirt or bacteria to stick. This ensures maximum hygiene. For our test, we applied some particularly stubborn substances and some common household dirt to a Quaryl surface and left it for 24 hours. Even dried on hair dye can be easily and completely removed with just a soft sponge and water. For particularly stubborn stains, such as rubber sole marks or lime scale, here are 2 extra tips. Rubber sole marks from street shoes can be removed easily with a magic eraser sponge used together with a standard non-abrasive cleanser. Particularly stubborn limescale deposits can be effortlessly removed using a normal lime dissolver or household vinegar. Simply dilute with water, apply to a paper towel and place this on the limescale, then allow it to work overnight. The limescale residues can be easily removed the following day using plenty of water. Our test confirms the outstanding material and easy to care properties of Quaryl. The Quaryl products retain their perfect surfaces even after many years of use, a fantastic benefit for your customers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to tune into our next episode. See you next time.